Good morning students, how are you? Have your breakfast? Let's start our lesson. Okay, before starting our lesson, let's see the quotes. இருதயத்தின் நிறைவினால் வாய் பேசும். Okay, today we are going to see a continuation of the lesson water with a new topic. That is water cycle. Have you heard the word cycle anywhere? Yes, you have heard the word, right? Consider a cycle wheel. Same process of cycle wheel. Okay. So if it start from here, if it start moving from here, it will come this place, right? The initial point and final point is same for the cycle wheel, right? It moves like this. If it start from here means it come here, it will come here. So that is the process that will going on in cycle wheel, right? Likewise, the same process that will be going on in water cycle. And we are going to see about what are the stages and what is the cycle that will be going in water. Okay, there are some stages of water. The water has some stages. So first stage is evaporation. What is the first stage? Evaporation. And what is the second stage? Condensation. What is the second stage? Condensation. And what is the final stage? That is precipitation. Okay, your book in your book these three stages are mentioned, and have other stages also, that is collection. Okay, these three stages is mentioned in your book. Okay, let's see about stages of water. First, what I have said, stages of water. What is the first stage? What is the first stages of water? Evaporation. What is the first stages of water? Evaporation. Okay. Consider ocean water, sea water, pond water, river water, well water, any waters. So yeah, water that present in surface. Consider some water. And it just evaporate by means of sunlight. By means of sunlight, the water the water in the surface get evaporated in a gaseous form. Okay, it moved to the what? The water get evaporated in a gaseous form, and it moved to the atmosphere. Consider, see, see, this is the water. It is evaporating. And it moved to the atmosphere. It went to the atmosphere. And in the atmosphere, there must be many air molecules. There must be many air in it. By means of air, evaporated water get cooled and it become clouds. Okay. The clouds, what is clouds? The clouds are fully made up of droplets of water. Okay, the clouds are fully made up of droplets, small droplets of water. So, the combination of many droplets of water into a big droplets of water. See, the water get evaporated and it become clouds. So many clouds. If many clouds get combined, means what? It become big cloud, right? So likewise, many droplets will collide or combine, means it become big droplets or larger droplets. The larger droplets get cooled by means of air that present in the atmosphere, and finally it shed in a form of rainfall or snow. That is the process will going on in this. Okay. This first one, it is evaporated. No, that process is called evaporation. That process is called what? Evaporation. After evaporating, the air get cooled and become what? Clouds. These clouds are called condensation. Formation of clouds are called condensation. And finally, it shed. Right? It shed. This shedding process is called precipitation. The shedding process is called what? Precipitation. Okay, this is the 3 stages that are going on in water cycle. Let's see a working model. See, I have made a working model and I have plotted condensation, evaporation, collection and precipitation. And in this sunlight shows evaporation. The water get evaporated. Due to sunlight, the water get evaporated, right? So where is evaporation? And here is evaporation. You want to place this. Evaporation is here. Evaporation. And second, what is the second stage? Condensation. Condensation means the water is evaporating. Condensation means the water is moving upward. Where is condensation? Here is. This is condensation. This is condensation. The water is moving upward and become clouds. And third one is what? Precipitation. Raining. Precipitation. So this is precipitation. Raining. See? Raining. Precipitation. And here they didn't give the last step, that is collection. After precipitation, the water is coming down, right? After that, what it will be? What the condition of the water? It is collected in a pond, ocean, river. It is collected. So this is called collection. Okay, students. So today we are very small topic. Today we learned about water cycle. That is, the water cycle have 3 stages. That is what? Evaporation, condensation and precipitation. And also there will be a collection. Collection in it. Okay. And next we are going to learn about transpiration. What is transpiration? Have you heard this word transpiration anywhere? Transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration. What is transpiration? The process of loss of water from the aerial part of the plant is called transpiration. See, a plant. Consider a plant. It has leaves, buds, roots, etc. Consider a plant. It has these are things that will be considered in a plant. Okay. Aerial part means leaves, stem, root. These are the aerial part. It has water. Now, if the water is evaporated from the aerial part, is called transpiration. Okay, the aerial part is called what? Transpiration. The water evaporated from the aerial part is called what? Transpiration. And next one is cycling of water. In the first class I have told that the stages are, what are the states of water? State, S-T-A-T. Solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, right? Likewise, the solid state of water, example, Antarctica. In Antarctica, the water is in the form of ice cubes, glacier, right? The ice cubes get melted. Melted means it will become as a liquid state, right? Liquid state. After the liquid, if the liquid is exposed to the sunlight, what it become? It become evaporated and it become what? Gaseous state. This is the cycling of water. The water also gets cycling from the state itself. That is liquid state from a solid state. Solid state means glacier. Liquid state means water, and gaseous state means the water get evaporated. Okay, and the final one is condensation of water. And see an activity that is condensation of water. What is meaning of condensation? Condensation of water. Let's take a glass of water. I'm taking half glass of water, and I'm just putting some ice cubes in it. It has water as well as ice cubes in it. After some time, I can see some water drops that is present outside of the glass. Before that, I have whipped this side of the glass by wet by cloth. Okay, I have whipped the side of the glass by cloth, and there is no water in this area. There is no water at all. There is no water droplets or anything in this area. And after some time, I can see water droplets that is present outside of the glass. Outside of the glass. Even I have whipped in the outside itself. Okay, outside of the glass. How? How the water that present inside of the glass get outside of the glass? How? How the water get outside of the glass? See, the water. See the water. I kept only a normal water, and I have put ice cube. So the water will become cold water, right? The water will become cold water. The air present in this region also cooled by means of this cold water. This cold water, and by the means of air, by the means of cool air, it just move up, just move here and there, and just contains this, and just contains the outer surface of the glass. That is called condensation of water. Okay students, today we have learned about water cycle, condensation of water, transpiration, cycling of water, in these all things. Okay students, I think you understand this topic. If you can't, please make a comment on it. Okay students, thank you.